Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be fine and safe at your homes. So, my dear students, once again we have started our online classes because of the third layer of COVID-19. As you all know that it's a very hard time for everyone and everyone is suffering a lot. So, my dear students, we cannot stop our studies. We have to continue our studies. As you all are given your results, I hope all of you are passed with good marks, and now we are going to start our new session 2021-22. Welcome to the new session and good luck for your life and your studies. So my dear students, please keep in touch with your studies. Don't stop studying because without studying, nothing is there in the world. Knowledge is very important for us, as you have all know that knowledge is power. So my dear students, please kindly keep in touch with your studies and your given online classes as per schedule. Please regularly take these classes. In the message you were told that these classes which are given to you are just to do the reading of the books and not to do any work in your classwork copies. आपने ये काम अपनी classwork copies में नहीं करना and just you have to read it and learn the difficult words. You will be given assignment sheets in which you have to do your work and submit it in the school. So my dear students, please kindly come back to your studies. I am your general science teacher of class 7 and this is your general science book. You can see this book, it's general science book of class 7. Please kindly take out your books. Open your books, unit number 1, keep pencils in your hand, write down the date on the top of the page as always we do. So my dear students, page number 1, unit number 1, organ system of our body. Organ system of our body. We are going to start our unit number 1, organ system of our body. Everyone write down date on the top of the page. First of all, learning objectives. At the end of this unit, students should be able to list different organ systems of the human body, understand the meaning of digestion, identify different organs of human digestive system and their functions, identify different organs of circulatory system, their functions, identify and list organs of human nervous system, understand the meaning of excretion, list organs of human excretory system and understand their functions. Learn about human musculoskeletal and endocrine systems. Organ. First of all, we are going to learn about the organ. All animals, including human beings, contain several organs which in turn are made up of tissues. All animals, including humans, contain several organs which in turn are made up of tissues. हर जानवर इंक्लूडिंग जानदार जो चीज़ें यानी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं उनके बीच में कई सेवरल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जो कि टिश्यूज़ की सूरत में बने होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द हार्ट इज़ एन ऑर्गन विच पम्प्स ब्लड टू सर्कुलेट इट टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. एग्जांपल में क्या है? द हार्ट है जो कि ऐसा ऑर्गन है जो हमारे जिस्म में ब्लड को सर्कुलेट करता है, पम्प करता है और उसको सर्कुलेट करता है हमारे सारे जिस्म के हिस्सों में. And ear is an organ of hearing. Lungs are organs of respiration. ईयर क्या है? वो ऑर्गन ऐसा है जिससे हम सुन सकते हैं और जो लंग्स हैं वो रेस्पिरेशन में हमारी मदद करते हैं, मीन्स के ऑक्सीजन इनहेल करने में और एक्सहेल करने में. Stomach, liver, lungs, kidneys and heart are a few important organs of the body. Stomach, liver, lungs, kidneys and heart are a few important organs of the body. स्टमक, मैदा, लिवर यानी जो कलेजी होती है, लंग्स, किडनीज और ये सारी जो हार्ट है, ये कुछ ऐसे ऑर्गन्स हैं हमारे जिस्म बॉडी के इम्पॉर्टेंट जिनको हम अहम कहते हैं, यानी कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन्स हैं. कैन दिस ऑर्गन्स वर्क इंडिपेंडेंटली? क्या ये ऑर्गन्स जो है आज़ादाना तौर पर काम कर सकते हैं? नो. ऑल द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी वर्क इन कोऑर्डिनेशन विद वन अनदर. नहीं, जितने भी हमारे जिस्म के अंदर ऑर्गन्स मौजूद हैं वो कोऑर्डिनेशन में ही एक दूसरे के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम करते हैं, मीन्स एक दूसरे का साथ देकर. हियर यू कैन सी अ पिक्चर ऑफ लेवल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन लिविंग थिंग्स. लिविंग थिंग्स में लेवल्स हैं यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के. ऑर्गन सिस्टम, ऑर्गन, टिश्यू, सेल एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म. ऑर्गेनिज्म के साथ देखें क्या क्या टच है. सेल है, टिश्यू है, ऑर्गन है, ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स, मीन्स के ये एक साथ काम करते हैं. So, I hope that all of you have understood. We have learned about the organ that all animals, including human beings, contain several organs which in turn are made up of tissues. हर जानवर और जानदार चीज़ जो है उनके बीच में कई ऑर्गन्स हैं जो कि टर्न में टिश्यूज़ बनते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, जैसे कि एग्ज़ाम्पल दिया गया आपको हार्ट कैसा ऑर्गन है? ऐसा ऑर्गन है जो कि हमारे जिस्म में ब्लड पंप करता है और उसको सर्कुलेट करता है हमारे हर जिस्म के हिस्से में. ईयर जो है वो हमारे सुनने में मदद करता है और जो लंग्स हैं वो रेस्पिरेशन मीन्स के ऑक्सीजन इनहेल और एक्सहेल करने में. स्टमक जो है वो लिवर, लंग्स, किडनीज और हार्ट जो हैं ये भी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट यानी कि अहम हिस्से हैं हमारे जिस्म के अंदर जो मौजूद हैं. क्या ये सारे हिस्से जो है आज़ादाना तौर पर काम कर सकते हैं? नहीं, ये कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम करते हैं. Several organs of our body cooperate to perform some major functions. Such a group of organs is known as an organ system. Several organs of our body cooperate to perform some major function. कुछ ऐसे हमारे several organs हैं जो कि cooperate करते हैं और एक बहुत बड़ा function सर अंजाम देते हैं. Such a group of organs is known as an organ system. ऐसे group को क्या कहते हैं? Organ system. Each organ system performs a specific function. हर organ system जो है एक specific function यानी एक उनका अपना किरदार है काम करने का. In this unit you will study about different organ systems of human body. In this unit you will study about different organ system of human body. अब इस यूनिट में हम कई ऐसे organ systems जो कि human body में मौजूद हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So my dear students, we'll stop our reading over here for today. It's enough. You have to do the reading once again till where we have done and underline the difficult words which are over here and write down their meanings. So my dear students, here are some of the difficult words which you have to underline and write down their meanings in your books. Please kindly once again I will tell you that you have to not do this work in your classwork copies. You have to just redo the reading from the book and underline the difficult words and write down their meanings and learn them. Please don't do this work in your copies. The first word is several. Several means kai. Several means kai. Underline several and write down kai. Number 2, circulate. Circulate means gardish. Circulate means gardish. Number 3, independently. Independently means azadana taur par. Independently means azadana taur par. Please kindly underline these words in your books and write down their meanings and do the reading of the work which we have done the reading of today. Thank you.